Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're managing content on SharePoint, knowing how to edit pages is essential, especially with the 2025 updates that make it even more intuitive. Today, we're breaking down how to edit a SharePoint page, 2025, step by step, so you can get it done quickly and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft 365 account. Once you're in, navigate to your SharePoint site by going to the Sites section and selecting the one you want to edit. It's super straightforward. Think of it as your digital workspace hub. Now, find the page you want to edit. Hover over it in the site contents or use the Quick Launch menu. Once you've got it, click on the Edit button, which is usually in the top right corner. In 2025, SharePoint has enhanced its interface with AI suggestions, so you might see smart recommendations for layouts or content as you go. With the page in edit mode, you'll see a toolbar at the top. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your page. To add text, just click where you want it and start typing. Want to insert an image or a video? Hit the Insert tab and choose from your files or link external sources. Don't forget to use web parts for dynamic elements like calendars or news feeds. They're drag and drop easy now. As you make changes, preview your page by clicking the Preview button to ensure everything looks perfect on different devices. Once you're happy, hit Save, and then Publish to make your updates live. Remember, always double-check for permissions. If you're not the site owner, you might need approval. One quick tip. Use the version history feature to track changes and revert if needed. It's a lifesaver for collaborative projects. There you have it. Editing a SharePoint page in 2025 is faster and smarter than ever. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.